Are we ready? Acha, we are already recording. Oh, this is actually the Candid Conversations. and she's the star of Candid Conversations. So from cult classics to Candid Conversations to celebrity interviews, the woman who has seen more first day first shows than any one of us. Hi, I'm Sudeepta. This is Red FM Bookmark. With me, I have Anupama Chopra ji. How are you?
I'm very well, and please don't say Anupama Chopra ji. It just sounds wrong.
Can I just call Anupama then?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's perfect. All right, so tell me one thing, that you have written Dining with Stars, and you have been interviewing celebrities from a very, very long time. And there are legends like Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone in your book. How has the art of celebrity interviews changed over the period of time from 2007 to now, if you say?
So, truthfully, I can't tell you that what I do has changed, because my method and the research and all of that, what I do, I still continue to do. But I think it's changed at large because I think also because of social media, right? So it's very interesting to me that there are interviews that I will spend days researching for, and the interview will not really travel on YouTube, but the reel on Instagram will go to, whatever, hundreds of thousands. And so I feel like perhaps, the not so great thing about it is that people are starting to kind of focus too much on just the short form. Though conversely, the long form, those long podcasts are also a thing. They're also working. But with celebrity interviews, what's changed is the number of people who want them, because everybody now wants to be in conversation, mostly with actors.
Yes.
Also, the how guarded actors have become. How many actors now don't want to do press, or when they do press are very, very monitored, very PR trained, and we are told that these are the bullet points that you can ask, this is what you can't ask. Or पहले मतलब बहुत पहले, when I first started, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. You just went from, originally early 90s, so you went from set to set and you said, hello, how are you? And you started writing. And they would all talk, right? But it was a different world. I understand now why they're so much more guarded. But those are all the things that have changed.
Now, you were saying, celebrity. I am very lucky that I'm interviewing the one who does celebrity interviews. So I'll get more insider scoop than anybody of them. So in Sholay, you've given a lot of insider scoop. So if there was a film from last 5 years which you had to pick and convert it into a book where you can give the behind the scene details, which one would that be?
It would probably be, I would say, like a film from Kerala. It would be a Malayalam film, because I've genuinely just fallen in love with Malayalam cinema. And if you had to pick from last year, like imagine doing the making of Loka, or imagine doing the making of Kantara. Just the difficulty and the challenges of making those films, because they were so different from the regular ones, right? Look at the scale, look at what the ambition, right? So I would say those two films I would love to do makings of.